my Chrysler. A few things since the last video I saw. I did pick up some wheels for the Widebody. I sold those wheels. Now I got another set of wheels, and now I plan on getting another set of wheels. Then I might sell the wheels that I got now. I'm gonna put my seatbelt on. The wrap is officially here for the Widebody. It took like 2 weeks. It is the holidays, so I can see why it took so long, but it's finally here. And also, I managed to paint my front end on a Chrysler by myself. I'm not no painter, but shit, it came out nice. I'm gonna show you guys when I get to the location I'm going to. It's currently 6 o'clock. It's raining. I don't know if you guys could tell. The last video I saw, it was sunny. That's the problem with this weather. It's like it's rainy, then it's sunny, then it's rainy again. So it's hard for me to get content for y'all. But in today's video, I am wrapping the Widebody. I did manage to fix the overheating problem on the Chrysler. I don't know if I told y'all this car had overheating problems. As you can see, it's sitting at 213. The problem with this car wasn't the oil cooler, it wasn't the coolant temp sensor. The previous owner, he had changed the HVAC, I guess you could say HVAC T-hose, I think that's what they call it. That had a leak in it, and I didn't know that up until I put my pressure tester on there, and it was leaking like fast. But we got that all sorted out. Now the Chrysler is running good. Only thing I need to do now is take this loud ass exhaust off. I drive a lot of V8s. I'm not a fan of straight pipe V6s, so why would I drive around in a straight pipe V6? But let me go ahead and deposit this money to buy these wheels, and then I'll pick you guys up after that. Alright, YouTube, so I am back at the shop. As you guys can tell, these are the wheels I am running right now. These are OEM red eyes, not them reps, OEM puppies. I did have the other Hellcat style. I don't know if I'm going to show you guys, but I did have the other Hellcat style. Sold those. I actually put 2 fresh ass tires on them just to sell them because I found these for sale. So I sold those and bought these. But I may be selling these wheels, so if anybody interested and I still have them, they're for sale. It is pretty late in the day, so I may or may not start by today. I might just pull it in the shop and start disassembling it. But definitely by tomorrow, I will be starting the wrap. I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit what color I got. I didn't even get to see it myself. We touched down and I got straight to work. So, all right, YouTube, let's go ahead and get this wrap open. That's why mine took longer, because the 4th of July shit. And you know they having a sale, so a lot of people was buying it, materials. So that's the only reason mine took so long. Yeah. I am sponsored. Damn! Do y'all see that chat? Hold on, let me get it out clear real quick. This joint about to go stupid. Alright, so as you guys can tell, the new color is on. I don't know if you guys can see this on camera, but it's like a baby blue mixed with like a turquoise green. I am throwing a new set of wheels on here. These are not the wheels permanently. I'm gonna go ahead and knock this whole side out, possibly the other side by today. I'll probably get half the car done by today. It all depends how I feel. It is like 9 in the morning. I do have to sand this trunk down. It's a lot of stuff I gotta sand down. I am gonna be replacing this wing. I'm not a fan of this shit. This little duckbill shit. I got an OEM wing. Let me see if it's in the car that I... Yep. I got the OEM wing that I pulled off the cat. So it's here. Yeah, and I'm also getting a new hood. I'm waiting for somebody to buy this hood, so I don't feel like I'm wasting any money on another hood than that hood just sitting around. But yeah, let's go ahead and knock this out, and I'll pick you guys up right after that. Alright YouTube, as you guys can see, I got this side done. Not completely done because I still got to do the flares, handles. I am going to be painting the mirrors gloss black. They're already black, but they're not gloss. But this side is pretty much done. I'm going to go ahead and finish the other side. I'm going to pick you guys up afterwards. It's kind of hot, so I don't want to do a time lapse with me sweating in the background or whatever the case may be. So I'm going to go ahead and knock that side out, and I'll just pick you guys up right after. We're talking about YouTube. 1 minute it's hot as ever, then it's raining. We're supposed to be in summer right now, and it's still raining. Shit is crazy. But meanwhile, while it's raining, we are getting a front bumper done. If you're not a rapper, or if you are a rapper, you know how hard this bumper is. I've been working on this bumper for the past 3 hours, 4 hours now. And you have to do it in multiple pieces. This is not a one-piece bumper. But this is coming along, guys. Rain definitely is going to slow me down, but it is what it is. Our YouTube, so it is day 3 of me wrapping the scat. As you guys can see, we got the rear bumper done for the most part. I just have to put it back together. This side is completely finished, minus the flares and the skirts. I got both the fenders already finished. Front bumper is also finished, as you guys can see. I do have a lip I'm going to be painting on here. I was debating if I should paint these grills black, because I'm about to paint the rest of the parts black, like the wing, possibly the diffuser, the little inserts that go over here, the inserts for the rear bumper. I'm going to paint gloss black. Let me go ahead and show you guys the wheels that I picked up for the car that's going to be on the car. I'm pretty sure I haven't showed you guys the wheels, but here are the wheels. OEM super stock wheels, 18 inches. Yeah, your boy coming trim this time. Let's go ahead and prep the parts, get it painted, and get this car finished. Alright guys, got the parts laid out, what I'm going to paint. I already got my base coat applied. Not too shabby. Give it like 10 more minutes. I'm gonna throw the clear on there. I am not a professional, but I definitely could get the job done. Alright guys, got the clear applied, as you can see. The wing was going really good up until the hose got crunched. And then it made it shoot out all this fluid and no air. So I may or may not wet sand this and then try to buff it or respray it, but everything else came out pretty good. Like I said, I'm not a professional, but I won't say that's too bad. That was already from the previous spray paint that was on there. I didn't feel like sanding it, so that'll do. Like I said, I'm not expecting perfect. Just want this to look good. Alright YouTube, so majority of the car is fully wrapped. Just have to put the car together. Car is currently dead. Try to get out the shop. Yeah, but the car don't start though. What you mean? Oh, not my headlight bulb. The driver's side, I gotta rewire it. Put this on there. Where this stuff? Sorry. Yeah, this thing's so loud. I can't see if you gotta guide me. Like, am I good? This side? Check both sides. Grab the window trim, bro. Put the window trim down. It's in the window, the dash, my bad. Damn. Alright YouTube, so it is the next day once again. It's not raining right now. It is supposed to rain, so I may or may not get footage of me putting this car back together because I'm gonna try to hurry up and get it done. I honestly want to drive this car. It's been a while. So let me go ahead and start finishing half of this, putting half the car back together, and then I'll pick you guys up maybe when the car's almost done, or possibly when it's done. I did just come back from a 2-hour drive picking up a hood from one of my plugs. You guys will see that hood once it's on the car. But yeah, let's go ahead and finish this car, and I'll see you guys afterwards. Let's get this off this hood. Show you guys how the car looks after I finish installing this hood. Alright, YouTube, so we about to go take pictures of the car. I'm gonna blur it out for now. Y'all just gonna have to wait till I get to the spot to show y'all. But man, this thing looking crazy. I'll see y'all when I get to the spot. Alright, YouTube, so we made it to our location. Check this thing out. Alright, YouTube, made it to spot number 2. Little bro coming trim. He only 16. I do plan on wrapping this hood and roof gloss black. So let me know down below, would y'all prefer satin black or gloss black? I did paint everything else gloss black. That's why I was considering wrapping the gloss black, but I am actually short on material. That's why I didn't wrap it. But if you actually like the satin black more, so let me know down below. Y'all wanted to see Lil Bro car, make sure y'all go ahead and follow him on the gram. Damn. Alright, YouTube, one last look at the car before I go ahead and wrap the video up right here. Let me know down below what y'all think about the car, color. Alright, YouTube, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna catch you on the next video.
We're back to the music. Come on. How you gonna do it if you on the wall? Get your back up off the wall. Tell me.